In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Salesforce Certification Exam in 2026. First, open your browser and go to trailhead.salesforce.com. Sign in using your Salesforce credentials. Trailhead is Salesforce's official learning platform. It's where you take modules, earn badges, and manage certifications. So logging in here connects your learning history with your exam registration. Once you're in, head to the Certifications area and choose Browse All Certifications. This view shows every available exam, which is great if you're exploring. You'll also notice options to filter by role, product, and level. Think of Browse All as the master list, while the filters help you zero in on what fits your background and goals. Before you start filtering, set your purchasing details. Select your billing country or region so pricing and availability display correctly for your location. Then choose your preferred currency. You'll likely see a checkbox to confirm or acknowledge your selections. Tick that, and click Save. Setting these preferences up front avoids surprises at checkout. Now refine your search. You can sort the list alphabetically to find a title quickly, or narrow by product if you want exams related to specific clouds like sales, service, or commerce. Filtering by role, such as administrator, developer, consultant, or architect, helps align the exam to your day-to-day responsibilities. Level filters like beginner, intermediate, or advanced indicate expected experience, which is useful for pacing your certification journey. For this walkthrough, select B2B Commerce for Administrators Accredited Professional as an example. Open the exam page and click Register Now. Next, choose how you want to take the test. Select Online to test from home or office with remote proctoring, or choose Test Center if you prefer an in-person environment. If you go online, make sure you have a stable internet connection, a quiet space, and a government-issued ID. For test centers, bring the required ID and arrive early. On the registration screen, read and agree to the program terms by checking the box. Then click Complete My Profile. Enter all required details exactly as they appear on your government ID, legal first and last name, and any other requested information. Accuracy here prevents check-in issues later. When your profile is complete, proceed to payment to secure your spot. Finish by clicking Save and Continue. That's it. You've registered for your Salesforce Certification Exam. Good luck with your preparation, and remember to review the official exam guide and sample questions on the exam page. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.